In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download your image in Photopea, whether you want to save it as a PG, JPG, SVG, WEBP, GIF, or keep it as an editable PSD project. This is a super useful skill if you finished editing a design and want to export it for social media, your website, or future editing. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. Once your image is open and you're happy with your edits, look at the top menu bar inside Photopea. The first method is to export your image as a regular image file. To do that, click File, then hover over or select Export As. This is where Photopea gives you several export options depending on what you need. If you want a clean image with transparency, PNG is usually the best choice. PNG is ideal for logos, graphics, and designs that need a transparent background. If you're exporting a normal photo or something for the web and you want a smaller file size, JPG is a great option. Keep in mind that JPG does not support transparency, so if your background needs to stay invisible, don't use JPG for that. If you're working with vector artwork or a logo that needs to stay sharp at any size, SVG can be a smart choice. And if you want something optimized for web use, or in some cases an animated file, WEBP and GIF may be the right formats depending on your project. After choosing your file type, Photopea will open a pop-up window with export settings. Here, take a moment to review the quality and size options. For formats like JPG, adjusting the quality slider can make a big difference. A quality level somewhere around 80 to 90% is usually the sweet spot because it keeps your image looking good while still reducing file size. It's also a good idea to double-check the final pixel dimensions before you save, especially if your image needs to fit a specific platform or upload requirement. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Photopea will then download the file directly to your computer through your browser, usually into your default downloads folder. From there, you can move it, rename it, or upload it wherever you need. Now, if you want to keep working on your design later without losing any of your layers, text, masks, or smart objects, you should save it as an editable project file instead. This is the second option, and it's extremely important if you're not completely finished with your work. To do that, go back up to the File menu and choose Save as PSD, or on some systems you can simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S on Windows or CMD+S on Mac. Photopea will create a Photoshop PSD file and download it to your device. This is the best option when you want to preserve your entire project structure so you can open it again later and make changes without starting from scratch. So the simple way to remember it is this. Use export formats like PNG or JPG when you want a finished image, and use PSD when you want to keep the project fully editable. That one choice can save you a lot of time later. If your goal is sharing online, PNG is perfect for graphics, JPG is great for photos, and SVG is ideal for scalable logos. If your goal is editing later, PSD is the way to go. Once you get used to this process, downloading your work from Photopea becomes really fast and easy, and that's how to download your image in Photopea. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.